Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of our Financial Basics series. Today, we're diving into episode 834. What is a credit line on a credit card? 2025. If you've ever wondered about that magic number on your credit card statement, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. First off, your credit line, also known as your credit limit, is the maximum amount of money you can borrow from your credit card issuer. Think of it as a safety net or a spending cap that the bank sets for you. For example, if your credit line is $5,000, you can charge up to that amount on purchases, cash advances, or balances before you're maxed out. Now, how does the bank decide on your credit line? It's based on several factors like your credit score, income, payment history, and even your overall debt-to-income ratio. A higher credit score usually means a higher credit line because it shows you're responsible with credit. In 2025, with more advanced AI algorithms, lenders might also consider real-time financial behaviors, making approvals faster and more personalized. Why does this matter to you? Managing your credit line wisely is key to building good credit. If you keep your balances low, say, under 30% of your limit, it can boost your credit score. But max it out, and you might face higher interest rates or damage your credit report. Plus, in today's digital world, understanding your credit line helps you avoid overspending and stay financially secure. Here's a quick tip. Always check your credit line before big purchases. You can do this through your bank's app or by logging into your account online. And remember, if you're a responsible user, you might even request an increase, which could be easier in 2025 with automated reviews. So, there you have it. Your credit line is more than just a number, it's a tool for financial freedom. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.